welcome to Various Kitchen again. Today I am going to prepare something for the kids, a special dish for the kids. There are not enough things to prepare something, so I thought I have something I will make with the rice powder. This is the rice powder, and this is suji, a small amount of suji, and this is the same quantity of beaten curd. Okay, and this is water we need in order to mix it up well. And the other things are like onions. You can take small onions also, as usual I said it is not available now, and ginger pieces and the green chili pieces, and salt for the taste, and the curry leaves. Let us mix all these three items together first, then I will tell you what are the other procedure. First I will mix up this curd and the rice powder and the suji together along with salt. That I will mix it in a. Now I am adding all these together. This is the rice powder, and this is the suji and the curd. I am adding together, and with this I will put some salt also. Salt we will see later if it is again needed or not. I will mix this well into a fine liquid without any lumps. I will add little water also. This is not enough. After this I will show you what are we going to do with this. Okay, I am adding little bit water and making it in a thin batter. See, now I have added everything and I made it to a thin batter. Now let us go to the kitchen and see what we are going to do with this. Now I will heat up a non-stick pan. In that, when it is heated, I will pour this thin batter in that, and I will make a thick mixture from this. Now I am pouring this full amount of mixture in this, and I will start stirring with until and unless it become a thick mixture. I have to continuously stir it. I am preparing this absolutely in the low flame, and you see now it is becoming a thick mixture. I will take out this mixture from this, and I will keep it for becoming cool. After that we will start the next process. See the thick batter I have made. Now it is cool. You can touch that type of heat only it is there. Now what I am going to add is all these ingredients like onions and the ginger and the green chilies and the curry leaves I am adding, and I will mix up with all these things. If you need, you can touch with the oil or water. If it is coming to your hand, I will mix up all these together. Now I am mixing up all these things together. Let me see whether the salt is enough or not. If salt is required, I will add. After that I will start frying. From this I will make small balls like this, and I will press in my hand, and I will make a round, and I will make a hole in this. See, this is a kind of vada I am going to make. See, more and more vadas I will prepare first, then I will start frying. You see, I have made so many vadas, and they are ready to prepare and to fry in the oil. And let us get crispy vadas. That is rice flour and suji we have taken. Only these two ingredients. Let us see now. Now I kept the pan over here, and in that I have added oil. We should use the same kind of oil what we have used for making the balls. Otherwise what will happen? The forms will come to. Now the oil is heated. I am adding the vadas here. Let it fry well. I have kept in the medium flame. The crispy vadas are ready. See the golden brown crispy vadas. our instant rice flour vada is ready. We can have with sambar or with sauce or with a chutney also. I hope everyone will like it, especially the kids. Please try it, and if you like it, please share it, comment and promote Warriors Kitchen. Thank you so much.